Alright, here we have a couple of 1/43rd scale Chevy Impalas. These are 2002, and I dropped the box, 2002, 2010 models with a triangular taillights. These are actually Hawaii 5.0, or were Hawaii 5.0. Hey, look, there's me. Hawaii 5.0 cars. Decals have been removed, and Fort Wayne decals applied. This is a Greenlight model too, if I failed to mention it. So anyway, anybody looking for 1/43rd scale Chevy Impalas, the 2010s, there you go. Hawaii 5.0 Greenlight. Take the decals off. Anyway, these have Fort Wayne decals on there, applied. My customer sent me two different, I don't know why there's two different style of decals on there. Maybe two different people made them for him. Unless, I doubt that they would change just the lettering and the word police. But I don't know. Anyway, it's what he sent. So that's what's on there. These are fairly basic. Flashing headlights, flashing taillights, red and blue strobe, light bar. Nothing else was done. I also just noticed only one of them has a spotlight attached too. But oh well. I think he applied those, and maybe one come off. There's actually nowhere that one's attached. So not on there. But other than that, 9-volt battery powered. These will be put on a display. If I'm not mistaken, I think he told me there is a funeral for an officer that passed away. Matter of fact, I think the funeral is Monday, tomorrow. Passed away after a foot pursuit, maybe, after a pursuit of some sort. Died of a heart attack right after. So I think these are going to be used in a display or something for that. So that's what they are. Little antennas on the back that I make. Added a couple of those to there as well. 9-volt battery powered. I mentioned that. Let's go ahead and turn them on. Again, both of them are set up identical. Again, you can see the red and blue strobe light bar. Flashing headlights. And flashing taillights on these. So turned out pretty cool. Again, it's the first time. I think the Greenlight models are actually the first response castings, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong on that. I'm sure I'll hear soon if I'm incorrect, but I think that's what the story is. That it's actually the same castings as that they bought all the casting and stuff anyway from first response. So there you have it. 1/43rd scale, Fort Wayne Police Department. Some letters leaning forward, some leaning. Well, that one's actually leaning forward as well, so I guess that one's backwards on the other side. Well, regardless, I put the decals on there that was given to me. So thank you very much, Brian. I appreciate it, and I will ship these out tomorrow.